Welcome to Multi-Maker. Today we are going to unbox this. The ball joint body from Monst, which came to fit Holala door. I ordered it from Taobao and shipped via mail forwarding, so the box comes a bit dented. Let's hope the content is fine. This comes with the rubber band for the ball joint door support, but we don't need this for Holala. You can see the color matches quite well with the Holala, except maybe the joint's color doesn't match exactly, but that's close enough to me. Let's check how it fits the door. Well, nope. Seems that the neck is bigger and the shape is a bit different. But thankfully, this is made of plastic. I'm going to heat around the neck hole with heat gun. So it should be softened and the neck piece should fit in. Finger crossed. By the way, you see, she is repainted and rerouted by me. Hit subscribe so that you don't miss my repaint and reroute tutorials. Now let's try again. This is much easier as the plastic softened. Et voilà, oh la la! So far I really liked this body. The scale fits Holala very well. And you can see that the joint can be moved in various angles. Now finally my girl can pose freely. Now I just wish that the color of the joints matched the body better. So how do you think about this body? Please let me know in the comments below. Also, please let me know if you want more content on Holala. And again, please hit subscribe for my tutorials on door repaint and customizations. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.